You guys rested. You guys
don't play that now, right? One of you guys rest? Put someone rest? Hey, you see that white shirt? Go, guys.
See that white shirt? I got wrapped.
also watch his legs.
So the score is crazy.
How many girls are in there? 5? There's 5 here? They'll get first place.
What happened, guys? Hey, Coach, I thought you were talking about your team. You're just on the sideline and not really.
I replaced that.
You're so
I feel like I should realize. I missed the ball. We're still playing another game.
Communicate. Talk. No quiet time on the court.
My freaking shoes, bro. You don't care about the game? Wow, just find any random white cloud in this paper.
Yes, kind of. You're gonna put it over there?
Why we play so bad? That's on back row. There's no offense, bro. It's good. And this place are good too. Like, you see what I say? Like, last second, bro, they will aim it. Literally just make it.
Is it there? Bring it, brother.
Hell no.
At least ask, bro. You know why you keep lying.
Did you see the back of our team? I just got all of us in the bag.
Who's that guy, bro? Why can't he hit like that when we're playing? Are they selling it?
The only difference is Friday and Saturday. I know. They're not using Friday properly, bro.
I'm saying, bro.
Watch it, watch.
I'm going to play in the back next to
Oh, like, my stuff made it. Set it higher. I got like 8 points. I got set it higher. Bro, I made 8 points from certain. Just from certain. Yeah, 8 points. Just from certain. Just like play at your backs. See the girl?
Y'all gotta call it.
Me, us.
You guys are up? Yeah, you slow.
Hey, Brett. Who's gonna be in the front?
No, you stole my cross. I was stressed about that. This guy, he played with me. He lost my G-Bit. He lost his G-Bit.
You'll be in the middle back.
It's okay, I'll coach you guys next one. Next one, I will coach.
He's fine. You can get 2 forward. Maybe that guy, bro. That guy said it. Because Zuma can hit on the right side.
Keep that up, keep that up.
That guy, you don't know.
Oh, get ready. Help, help, help. I got it. What's over?
Yes. Let me know, okay?
Bye, guys. I don't know. I was see if I can. Text me, okay? Text me, okay? Give me some money.
What's the block? What's the block?
Text me, okay? You guys going here with 2 little when you get back?
Wait, they're talking loud. My dad's waiting. Oh, let's go. Oh, sorry. Oh. Sorry.
Hey, help, 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 help! Over!
Right, so someone get out. Okay? I dumped 300 a logo.
I saw the block.
What more do you want, though? What more?
That guy was. Did you see him block?
Yeah, I saw when they like
I know. You gotta play again. Hey, you see that guy in the white? But he was trying to lift you up, man. He came over here and was like, yo, you guys want to run? He was like, you see the white walking like left to right? Go.
Hold the ball.
It was like 50 degrees out. I was like,
Not backwards.
Watch that.
you need to encourage the other.
Again, bro.
I didn't even get in.
This guy's sleeping.
I was like 2 minutes in and then.
I think they're
Yes, sir.
But you saw that one teammate.
She went, the ball came this way, she went backwards to go hit it. It went straight past her hands.
So I flew like
I saw that. I saw that.
She flew back and she went, and she missed. She would have been so
On the ball! On the ball!
I said you guys get to the ball game.
On the ball! Out! Push it, push it. Watch it, right. Hey, get those. Watch those. Outside. Sir.
We got one. Before we down one. Luka! Good shot.
Miles.
Tied up.
He does not know it was
guy knew it was out.
How do you know it's just out?
I know it's not. We're not
He's
in.
already dead.
Sir.
31.
Yes, free. Net. Oh, okay. Come on, push 6.
No, he's like
Only-
10 times better.
I think I only who has potential. Next year.
I'm done.
This year though.
Wait, how many? That's different.
Huh? Yeah, sometimes you can go back.
Okay, wash your hands.
Okay.
Yes, you do.
I'm waiting for the ball. The ball comes
Over your ass.
the ball comes the other way.
they are having a positive energy.
Hey, they need it, but we want it more. They need it, but we want it more. Johnny, move! Come on, man! Get over! I'm always Go on, five person. One more point. Go, Ace. Ace, AJ.
Chile, bro. There you go. That's red band, huh?
Yes, sir. Watch over. Free. Oh, hey, 4 steps to use those free balls. There we go.
Uy.
Y'all just watch the ball. It's over. Y'all make sure the ball goes. Hey, don't let him ace it. Don't let him ace it. Yes, sir. We get 31. I think it goes to 30. There we go. Hey, two again. 31. Yes, sir. Get serve already. 3, force those. Back. Over. Yes. Yep. Defense. Y'all lost the tips. Right. Okay, get that back.
Hey, Aaron.
Free ball.
Come on, man. No way. Hey, Jack. 32.
Middle. Wait, what are they? Ball. I got deep. I got deep. Receive.
Shoot how you shoot.
In, back. Handle.
Where are you going? What is this about?
Defense. I need you on the net. I need you on the net. Defense.
I'm playing.
Free. Cheer.
Check the message. I was
My bad. Help!
Good.
I got it.